Up. Gypsy, sit. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Okay. Shake. Gypsy.
Shake.
Really? She doesn't want to listen. That was a bug. Uh-oh. Shake. Good girl.
Is that dog food?
Yeah. We ran out of treats. All right. And for the grand finale, she will catch a treat. She caught it. Okay. Should we play hide and seek? Lena? Gypsy, come. Sit. Keep her here.
Sit.
No. Like, pet her. Just to keep her there. Stay. Stay, Gypsy. Now, where should we hide it? Hide it somewhere like Lena's keeping her still.
Daddy!
Yeah?
Gypsy! Gypsy!
Hey. Really?
Gypsy, come!
She's too interested. Sit. Stay. Go get it. Gypsy. It went over here. Find it. Find it. Gypsy. Find it. Let's watch her use her sniffing powers. Oh. She found it. Woo, good girl. Gypsy. Go find it. Go find it. Oh, she found it. I heard the crunch. Gypsy. I see it. It's right there. That little brown thing. She's gonna find it.
She was close!
She found it. Alright, let's do this. Gypsy, sit. Hey,
Sit.
look at it. It's her old bone. Randomly in the middle of the yard. Okay. That's where she put it. Gypsy. Gypsy.
Gypsy.
She didn't see me throw that.
Gypsy, smell. I see it.
Here, free throw it, Lena.
Gypsy, sit.
I don't even know where that went.
She's gonna find it. She'll find it eventually.
Oh, she found it.
What? The food.
Ah. Lena just tripped me. Okay, I'm good. Gypsy. Go find it.
Smell.
It's in her nose. She found it. Gypsy. Sure.
Gypsy!
Take one.
Can I have one?
Hey,
I haven't
Gypsy. Wait, stop.
I haven't smoked it.
I don't care right now.
Gypsy!
Gypsy.
Gypsy! You pushed me.
I didn't push you.
Gypsy! We found that one easily.
That was quick. Gypsy.
I want to throw that one!
Fine. You get to throw one. Oh my gosh. She dropped it right in front of her face. Where did that one?
Close. Haley, you're supposed to throw it underhand.
Gypsy. Come here.
You're pretty close, hon.
Huh. I'm even wondering where that one went. Where?
Gypsy?
Right there.
Look.
Gypsy, sniff.
Yum.
You just stepped on it, girl. Here, throw it again, Lena.
Gypsy, pay attention. I see it. I see it.
Leave it. Let her find it with her nosy.
Gypsy, sniff. Gypsy, leave it. What
What are you drinking, dork? Okay.
Icky.
There was randomly a bucket, and it got filled with water, and now she's drinking it. Haley, she was drinking that. That's mean.
It
would
was
you-
icky.
Oh, sorry, Haley. Lena. Yeah, that was Lena, not
Gypsy,
Taylor.
Gypsy,
Gypsy. Gypsy.
no,
Find it.
you're almost close. Oh, she found it.
Let's get more.
I'll get more. I'll get more.
And that is a dog finding Nami.